30 rates estimates a 9.4% drop in Aave by July 2. Let's take a moment to review the latest chart dynamics. Based on the latest data, Aave has lost 2.9% since yesterday and is now near $87.24. Let's break down today's forecast range. Tomorrow, Traders Union expects the price to reach $93.21, a gain of approximately 6.8%. CoinDataFlow expects Aave may move lower toward $86.91, a decrease of about 0.4%. Digital coin price highlights it potentially dipping to $84.78, a fall of approximately 2.8%. Another forecast from 30 rates indicates Aave could approach $79.08 on the way down, an expected loss of about 9.4%. And to end, crypto predictions forecast $66.66 by tomorrow. That's a fall of 23.6%. This one shows the best potential return. All forecasts are now in. Let's move ahead. Let's move forward from the outlooks to the quantitative part. According to the forecast provided, the possible change in price extends from a decrease of 23.6% to a gain of 6.8%, depending on the analyst. The numbers make it clear that Crypto Predictions predicts the highest return with 23.6% surge in value by July 2. So it turns out you might see gains of between $4 and $236 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probabilities, CoinDataFlow leads with a 97.5% chance of success. By merging all the forecasts, I've created a single consensus view. Consensus calculations put Aave around $82.13. Let's take a look at the numbers. The consensus projection indicates a 5.9% drop in price. Put another way, your capital could also increase by around 5.9%. A 1,000 stake could translate into roughly $59 in potential upside. So in summary, the probability attached to the consensus outlook for Aave stands close to 71.4%. So now, let's take a look at how analysts predict the price direction over the next 3 days. Traders Union suggests bullish momentum will carry the price higher. CoinDataFlow suggests bearish momentum will dominate. Additionally, digital coin price anticipates Aave heading south. According to similarly 30 rates, the market is likely to trend downward. Additionally, Crypto Predictions expects a bearish continuation. Consensus estimates suggest Aave is likely to trade on the downside during the 3-day period. In total, 80% of analyst opinions project Aave heading lower. 5 forecasts were made 2 days back. Now we see which ones matched reality. In the end, the daily session finished at $85.17. 3 out of 5 forecasts pointed the right way. The prediction that aligned most with the actual result was from 30 rates. Time to sort the details one by one. 3 predictions matched the daily session span. When it comes to ROI, a few forecasts turned positive, led by 30 rates with 6.7%. And now take a moment to look at the summary table. It shows how every forecast held up. 30 rates reported accuracy, while forecast probability was 61.5% and ROI 6.7%. Try to spot the analyst with the most accurate outcome. Let's move on and see how the consensus-based returns for tomorrow line up between Aave and others. Aave leads all forecast comparisons with an estimated profitability of 5.9%. Currently, Aave is compared with 4 random cryptocurrencies. The full list with many more is already on my website. Before we move on, make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy seeing all these forecasts side by side. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.